Fresh pasta sheets, baby. You cannot beat fresh pasta. I don't care what you say. It is worth the time and the effort to make fresh pasta. Not only does fresh pasta take time and effort, but this fresh pasta took some real time and effort because I actually ground the flour for that. Yep, that's right. This is 100% home ground flour that went into this. And I have to say, the dough came out great. This is the first time that I've tried it this way. I have a little countertop flour mill so I can mill my own flour at home. I highly recommend getting one of those things because they are awesome. Just look at this shit, guys. That is beautiful whole wheat spaghetti. This is how food is meant to be. We got to get back to eating real food, guys. They are fucking poisoning us every step of the way that they can. Every single piece of fucking crap food on the shelf has so many preservatives and shit ingredients into it. These are all natural, my friends. All of the natural iron, fucking riboflavin, vitamins, whatever they want to call it. It's all in there, guys. You gotta get back to making your own food. I know it takes time. I know it's not easy and you might not know how in the beginning, but trust me, it's worth it. Learn, my friends. The information is out there. If you want it, you'll do it. If you don't, you won't.